Online trading can feel complex at first. That is why people researching GoStoneMax reviews often focus on clarity, learning support, and tools that help them explore markets with greater structure. GoStoneMax presents itself as a modern platform built for different levels of experience. Its digital layout is organized around accessible sections, platform resources, and account information that can be explored step by step. A platform experience becomes more useful when users can access information alongside functionality. GoStoneMax refers to educational content, market analysis resources, live webinars, and trading-related tools designed to support ongoing learning. The platform presentation includes smart alerts, charting systems, and portfolio tracking features. Together, these tools create a more connected environment for users who want to follow market activity in a structured way. Not every user approaches trading in the same way. GoStoneMax presents multiple account options and a flexible digital journey intended to support different levels of experience and different approaches to platform engagement. Practical information also shapes the user experience. Trading hours, verification details, contact sections, and policy information help create a platform image based on accessible communication and organized information. GoStoneMax also presents information relating to data handling and account security, including privacy documentation and stated access safeguards, such as encryption, SSL protocols, and two-factor authentication. For those exploring GoStoneMax reviews, GoStoneMax presents a modern trading platform identity centered on clarity, useful tools, educational resources, and visible platform information. Learn more through the official platform experience.